Welcome to my channel guys. This is my first video tutorial in Python programming. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Python on Windows environment. To do this, let's open our internet browser or any browser available to your computer. In a Google search window, simply type Python. Once the searching done, look for the python.org and the download link, or simply type python.org on URL window and you will connect directly to their website. In the download link tab, you see the different link such as all release, source code, Windows, Mac OS, other platform, license, alternative, implementation. In all release link, you will see the active Python release and specific release. Then in source code link, you will see the Python source release, the Python 3 and the Python 2 release and other stable release and pre-release. And in the Windows link, you see the Python release for Windows, latest version, the 3, and the latest Python 2 release, Python 2.17, and stable release and pre-release. We have note that Python 3.7.9 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. Let's download then Mac OS. If you are Apple user, we have a Python release for Mac OS X, Python 3 and Python 2, same as the stable release and pre-release. Then in other platform, if you are using other operating system, okay, you can download Python for other platforms such as Python for AIX, Python for IBM, formerly AS400 series, Python for iOS, iPad, Python for OS 360, Python for Solaris, Python for BMX, Python for XP, and Python package for Linux. And the other license link, you will see the history and license, the history of software, the terms and conditions for accessing other using Python. Okay, then last, the alternative implementation. If you want to use the Python in other implementation, okay, such as Iron Python, Python running on Net, Jython, Python running on Java Virtual Machine, PyPy, okay, Stackless Python, MicroPython, or other parties have repacked CPython. Okay, we have Active State, Python XC, WinPython, Conceptive, ETOT, PIMSL, Anaconda, eGenix, Python Anywhere. Okay, then let's go to Python 3.8.5 download for Windows. Let's click this button to download the latest version of Python. Okay, once the downloading done, okay, open the download location and start installing the Python application. Okay, this is the Python application. Okay, then click the Python executable file and follow the instruction wizard. Okay, this is the Windows installation wizard. Okay, then install now. As you can see, okay, the path used by the Python application is C user Lenovo app local program Python 38.32. Then include idle pip and other and documentation. Or if you want to customize the installation, choose the location and the future. Just click customize installation. Then check install launcher for all user recommended. Okay, then add Python 3.8 to the path. Okay, let's check this. Okay, then Install now. Okay, setup progress, initializing, then let's wait for a while to install our Python application. Okay, once the installation done, we can now open the application, go to start, and locate the Python idle or integrated development and learning environment and click start. Okay, this is the Python shell. We can now create a program or instruction using Python by using simple print function. Okay, let's print hello world. Okay, then hello world, then enter. Okay, in execution, you see that print hello world, the hello world display by the Python. Or if you want to start creating a program and save as a py on your desktop, just simply click file, then new file. Okay, then save as. Okay, then look for the desktop, then sample.py. Okay, as you can see in our desktop, you see the sample.py. Okay, then let's start to create a simple program. Let's create a variable with a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, then print. Okay, a plus b. Okay, then save. Okay, then if you want to run this program, you just simply click run, or you can simply click F5 on your keyboard. Okay, let's run this. Okay, as you can see, the output, okay, of print a plus b is equal to 7. Then, and if you want to run the Python on command line interface, just go to start and look for the Python 3.832-bit. Okay, this is the Python in command line interface. Then let's print hello world. Okay, then enter. You see, okay, the print hello world display the hello world string. Or if you want to use the command line interface of Windows, just simply window R, then type cmd, then enter. You can see the Windows shell. Then this is C user Lenovo. Just type Python, then click. As you can see, you are in Python environment. If you type print hello world, okay, then enter. As you can see, print hello world display the string hello world. If you learn to this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and push the notification button for some updates. Thanks for watching.